Hi guys, and today we are going to make an animation. Well, we're gonna first look at my friend, and we're basically.
I'll do the voice. Hello, viewers. I'm new here, so don't harass me because I don't know what to do. Oh, and before I begin with my OC, can I just?
Well, we were only showing it so far, and now we're gonna make an animation.
Well, we don't.
My friend's gonna pick the name for it.
What do you want it to be?
I don't know.
How about Minecraft? No, just kidding. No, don't do that. How about
Wobkins.
what? I forgot what that is.
Webkins. I don't know why I'm doing this.
I don't know either.
Here's how you draw a Webkins, guys. Let me see. I'm good at drawing Webkins. Oh, plus, this is just going to be a disclaimer.
What's a disclaimer?
It's how it's like a joke. There's one, there's two. And then here's the eyes.
It's the mouth.
Here's the mouth, and here's the ears.
Is this a bear?
I don't know. And there's the fluffle of hair, and there's the tail. And
It's amazing.
And there's my guy. Oh, look, this is the noise he makes. Ready? Wow.
I'm gonna charge it because it's like 10%. No, actually.
I'll go like that.
That
was just for fakeness. And my
what is the movies?
Okay.
Oh, that is.
How do you draw your face again? I don't know.
I'll do it.
Hold on. It doesn't go. You'll draw one and then I'll draw one.
How about this is a tutorial? Okay, guys, I'm here. So this is how you draw a cat. First, you do the ears. Well, the ear. Now you like do this. Yeah, and
You didn't copy the last one. How about all the copying this to me? No, you accidentally pressed the other button.
oh, now you like do this. I thought I. Please delete it.
This one?
Yeah. Okay. Oh my god.
Okay,
You want to copy that one?
yeah.
No, I'll copy the one.
Okay, now you do the snout and stuff. And this is just for, like, if it's almost... Oh, wait, I'm not doing that yet.
Hold on, you didn't copy it.
Yes. Well,
Go.
okay, now you do this, wait, so you press this, then, okay, now you do the other ear. Shoot, your battery is,
I don't care. Here, look.
it's gonna die. Okay, there's like, okay, and, okay, okay, now you do the eyes. I'm not really good at it right now because I'm tired. And it's night. Wait, no, I'm pressing the wrong buttons. No, I'm not pressing that. What are you even saying?
I don't know.
You're just like... Here you go.
Just do the out.
Okay, now you do like this. Well, that's not how I really do it, but I do it. Okay. So this is do it. Okay, wait, what?
It was in the last frame.
Okay. Now we do the mouth. And this is just for smiling. If you want to do it open, you can do this. Or if you want to make it really happy, you can do this. Hold on. Bow, 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 bow. But wait, what? What? What happened?
You're undoing it.
Yeah, I'm just showing them how, if you want to do it really happy or just happy or whatever.
Good.
Okay, now we do the neck. I'm just starting to do necks here, so. Oh, frick.
Oh, I'm good at doing the neck. I just got good at doing the next for.
Why are you doing that? Go ahead and do the neck. Okay, thank you. Well, okay. Okay, now I'm doing the shoulder. The shoulders. I did. Okay, now you do the full arms. The reason why I did this I know you can't see my finger moving, but I'm circling right now. Here.
Oh, hold on.
What do you mean?
But you can undo it.
Like, it's like here. I don't know. Next to your right hand arm. Hold on. Reason why I did that is so I can do this. And oh god.
That's pretty much your cat.
Well, not yet.
Oh no, tail, right?
Yeah, the tail. And hold on.
You make it more perfect. And that's your cat.
And one more thing. And finished. Oh god. And that's basically it.
And
this is step by step. So let's just do everything first.
pause if you didn't see that.
Yeah.
You can customize it any way you want. You can make it any way.
Yeah, like me, I did like I do different stuff every day. Like you can put necklaces, bows, sweaters, anything. Even different hairstyles. But
Mhm.
I just did it like stuff.
Like,
Well, that's not how I do it anymore, but this is Isabel drawing right now
oh, I'm just drawing a random sweater.
with a hand.
Mhm. Well, that's basically how she makes her hands
Well, yeah.
or something.
Yeah, I think so.
That could be on the shirt. That could be something on him. Or you could make a little.
Shut up, TV. If you guys can hear that, that's just the TV.
You can make.
This is how I do my boy style hair.
Oh, and you could add eyelashes. It doesn't have to be a boy or a girl.
Yeah.
Like-
Hold on.
A pair of